If you're planning on building near the coast, you're going to want to hear this. Let's go. Hi, I'm Charlie Gleason, project manager out of the Savannah office for America's Home Place. We're here today at Hilton Head Island. In Hilton Head, we have our normal building codes, which go above and beyond the normal standard for most building areas. We're at the Hill 4 modern farmhouse, a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with 2,500 square feet. In this particular house, the Hill 4, there's a lot of extra strapping that we had to do for this area in Hilton Head, which had to do all the way from the bottom plate, where we have anchors every 4 foot on center, to high winds here in Hilton Head. We have winds here that go over 100 miles an hour. With that kind of wind, you have to have extra blocking to ensure that the house doesn't shift. For the wind protection, we had to have angle blocks every 4 foot on center, all to just ensure that we have a strong home that will last a long time. All this was engineered, stamped, and approved above and beyond normal building codes. So this house has a lot of engineering that went into it, which makes it suitable for this area. When we're building out in the marshlands, we have to think about all these other things that you might not think about. Is what is the soil like? The soil is the most important part of the building process. If you don't have the soil right and it's not buildable, then there's so much that can go wrong. Having a firm foundation, as everybody has heard, is the key to any building project. And out here on the island, it is absolutely critical. If you want to learn more, come visit us at americashomeplace.com. If you're not subscribed already, consider subscribing.